Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Mary Magdalene. Mary Magdalene is a saint to whom I have a personal connection. I grew up in Saint Mary Magdalene Parish in South St. Louis, and I'm proud of it. But when I was growing up, I was one of many who heard the story that Mary Magdalene was a repentant prostitute, the woman who came to Jesus and anointed his feet and dried his feet with her hair in an act of repentance. That's not who Mary Magdalene is. More recent scholarship has revealed her not to be a repentant prostitute at all, but rather, if you look at the 8th chapter of the Gospel of Luke, Mary Magdalene is one of the women who had a leadership role in Jesus' Reign of God movement. In fact, it says that Mary and the other women provided for Jesus and his followers out of their own means. In other words, they were financial backers of Jesus, which means either that Mary Magdalene inherited money, which is possible, or that she herself was a businesswoman, a successful businesswoman. In any case, Mary Magdalene says something important about Jesus and the people whom he wanted to have around him. In particular, it says that women had important duties and important roles in Jesus' movement. And that reflects the fact that Jesus respected the dignity of women, because as we know, Jesus treated absolutely every person, whatever their station, whatever their condition, whatever their ethnicity, as an equal. And so Mary Magdalene can serve as a role model for all of us, both in the fact that we need to respect the dignity of all people, men, women, whatever their status. We also need to respect Mary Magdalene's commitment to Christ. We can see Mary Magdalene as a role model of someone who gave of herself for the sake of Jesus and his Reign of God movement.